So our location was quite difficult for the installers. We are down quite a long driveway, so the installation went far better than I expected. It was just one guy that came and did the installation, and I had a few volunteers to help, but it was pretty amazing. They did it really easily, and the whole setup process, I didn't really have to do anything. They did it all for me, made it very easy. So once the spa had been installed, the same guy spoke to me and gave me very clear instructions on how I look after it. And that was daily instructions, weekly instructions, and some things that I needed to do every 6 months or so. It was very easy to follow, and I found the process really easy compared to a spa that I had previously, where I didn't tend to be able to get the water quality in the way that I wanted, but I'm using all the chemicals that Spa World provided, following their instructions, and I've never had an issue with the water quality. So I definitely use my spa. I use it a lot. Some weeks I'll be in there every evening. Some weeks I might only go in 2 or 3 times a week, but it's definitely getting good use.